Another day, another diagnosis: a Goodman unit wasn't blowing any air, just making noise. After a detailed inspection, we found only 120 volts feeding one side of the heat kit, when it should have been 240. That imbalance caused the transformer to step down to just 13 volts. We flipped the clip disconnect at the condenser and powered off the system safely from the air handler. Then we uncovered another issue: no ground wire on the air handler, with wires cut too short to connect. Despite that, the system showed 26.6 volts on the control side, right where it should be. This is why trained eyes matter. Call Greentech Engineering, where precision meets performance.